Want to burn belly fat but only have 3 minutes? No gym, no equipment, and you can do this right at home. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful exercises that target stubborn belly fat and activate your core fast. Make sure you stay until the last exercise because it burns the most calories. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want simple workouts, fat loss tips, and home fitness routines, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. 1. High knees. Let's start with one of the most effective and simple fat-burning exercises, high knees. This movement looks easy, but when done correctly, it becomes a powerful cardio workout that activates your entire core and helps burn calories quickly. To begin, stand upright with your feet about hip-width apart. Keep your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your core slightly engaged. Now start jogging in place, but instead of running normally, focus on lifting your knees as high as possible toward your chest. Try to bring each knee up to waist level if you can. As you lift your knees, swing your arms naturally, just like you would while running. This will help you maintain balance and increase the intensity of the workout. High knees are excellent because they combine cardio with core activation. Every time you lift your knee, your abdominal muscles engage to stabilize your body. At the same time, your heart rate increases, which means your body starts burning calories more efficiently. This combination helps support fat loss over time, including stubborn belly fat. While performing this exercise, try to keep a steady rhythm. Don't rush too fast in the beginning. Instead, focus on controlled and consistent movement. Breathe naturally and keep your stomach tight as you move. If you are a beginner, start slowly and gradually increase your speed. If you want to make the exercise more challenging, pump your arms faster and lift your knees higher. Do high knees for about 30 to 40 seconds. By the end of this set, you should feel your heart beating faster and your core muscles working.
2. Mountain climbers. Next up is an exercise that is famous for burning calories and strengthening the core at the same time. Mountain climbers. This movement mimics the motion of climbing a mountain, and it challenges your abdominal muscles, shoulders, and legs all together. Start by getting into a push-up position. Place your hands directly under your shoulders and extend your legs behind you. Your body should form a straight line from your head all the way down to your heels. Engage your core muscles and keep your back flat throughout the movement. Now bring your right knee toward your chest while keeping your left leg extended behind you. As soon as you return the right leg back to the starting position, quickly bring your left knee forward. Continue alternating your legs in a running motion while keeping your upper body stable. The key to doing mountain climbers correctly is maintaining proper posture. Avoid lifting your hips too high or letting them drop too low. Your core should remain tight so your body stays aligned. This helps maximize the engagement of your abdominal muscles. Mountain climbers are particularly effective for belly fat workouts because they combine strength and cardio in a single movement. Your heart rate increases quickly, which means you burn more calories while also strengthening your core muscles. If you are just starting out, perform the movement at a slower pace. Focus on control and proper form. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can increase the speed to make the workout more intense. Try performing mountain climbers continuously for about 30 to 40 seconds. You should feel your core muscles working and your breathing becoming slightly heavier, which is a good sign that the exercise is effective. Bicycle crunch. Now we're going to move to the floor for one of the best abdominal exercises, bicycle crunches. This movement is extremely effective because it targets multiple areas of your core, including the upper abs, lower abs, and the oblique muscles on the sides of your waist. Start by lying flat on your back on a comfortable surface such as a yoga mat or carpet. Place your hands gently behind your head without pulling on your neck. Lift your legs so that your knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle, and your feet are off the ground. Now, slowly bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg straight out. At the same time, rotate your torso slightly so that your shoulder moves toward the opposite knee. After that, switch sides by bringing your left elbow toward your right knee while extending the left leg. Continue alternating sides in a smooth pedaling motion, similar to riding a bicycle. The important thing to remember during this exercise is to move slowly and with control. Fast movements often reduce the effectiveness of the workout and can strain your neck. Bicycle crunches are powerful because the twisting motion engages the oblique muscles, which are responsible for shaping the sides of your abdomen. At the same time, the lifting and extension of the legs activates the lower abdominal muscles. Keep your core tight and focus on each repetition. Try to feel your abdominal muscles doing the work rather than relying on momentum. Perform bicycle crunches for about 30 to 40 seconds. If done correctly, you should feel a strong contraction in your core muscles. 4. Russian twist. The fourth exercise in this quick belly fat routine is the Russian twist. This movement focuses on the oblique muscles, which are located along the sides of your abdomen. Strengthening these muscles can help improve core stability and contribute to a more defined waistline. To begin, sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lean your upper body slightly backward while keeping your spine straight. Your chest should stay lifted and your shoulders relaxed. Now, bring your hands together in front of your chest. Slowly twist your torso to the right side, bringing your hands toward the floor beside your hip. Then rotate your torso to the left side. Continue twisting from side to side in a controlled motion. For an added challenge, you can lift your feet slightly off the ground while performing the twists. This increases the engagement of your core muscles and makes the exercise more demanding. The key to performing Russian twists effectively is maintaining control and focusing on the movement of your torso rather than just moving your arms. Your abdominal muscles should be responsible for the rotation. Keep your core tight throughout the exercise and breathe normally. Avoid leaning too far back or rounding your back excessively. Russian twists are excellent for strengthening the muscles that help stabilize your core during everyday movements. Over time, consistent training can help improve muscle tone in the abdominal region. Perform this exercise for around 30 to 40 seconds while maintaining smooth and controlled movements. Plank. The final exercise in this quick workout is the plank. Although it may look simple, the plank is one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the entire core. It activates the abdominal muscles, lower back, shoulders, and even the glutes. Begin by placing your forearms on the floor with your elbows positioned directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you so that your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Your feet should be about hip-width apart. Once you are in position, tighten your abdominal muscles and keep your body as still as possible. Avoid letting your hips drop toward the floor or lifting them too high. Your back should remain flat and aligned throughout the exercise. The plank works by forcing your core muscles to stabilize your body against gravity. This constant engagement strengthens the deep abdominal muscles that support your spine and help maintain proper posture. While holding the plank, focus on slow and steady breathing. Keep your neck neutral by looking slightly toward the floor rather than lifting your head. If you are a beginner, try holding the plank for 20 to 30 seconds. As your strength improves, you can gradually increase the duration. Even though this exercise does not involve movement, it creates significant tension in the core muscles. By the end of the hold, you should feel your abdominal muscles working hard. Hold the plank for about 30 to 40 seconds to complete the workout. If you do this 3-minute workout every day, along with healthy eating, you'll start seeing results over time. Consistency is the secret. If you enjoyed this quick workout, hit the like button and comment below. Day 1 done. I love seeing your progress. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be posting short home workouts and fat burn routines every week. In the next video, I'll show you a 5-minute workout that burns even more belly fat, so make sure you don't miss it.